students, I am Dr. R. Mahalakshmi, working as Assistant Professor in Vaniya Perumal College for Women, Virudhunagar. In this video, we are going to see proportion. Proportion is an equation that states two ratios are equal. A is to B is equal to C is to D. Types of proportion. We are having two types of proportion, direct proportion and indirect proportion or inverse proportion. Direct proportion, when one quantity increases, the other also increase. In indirect proportion, when one quantity increases, the other is decrease. Here we have some example problems. If 5 pen cost ₹50, how much will 8 pens cost? So this is an example of direct proportion. So number of pen increases, the cost also increase. So 8 by 5 into 50 is equal to 80. So the cost of 8 pen is ₹80. If 4 workers can complete a task in 10 days, how long will 8 workers take to do the same task? So here also we can take as workers and days. So it is an example of indirect proportion. If the number of workers increase, less days are required to complete the task. So it is an inverse proportion. So 4 by 8 into 10 is equal to 10 days. So in indirect proportion, we write the numbers in a straight format, so 4 by 8. So the answer is 10 days. 8 workers can finish the same task in a 10 days. In a hostel, there is enough rice for 70 men for 20 days. If 30 more join the hostel, how long will the rice last? Here also we can have two data, men and days. So in second case, 30 men join. So 70 plus 30, 100. So first we have to find out whether it is a direct proportion or indirect proportion. So men increased from 70 to 100. So men increases, number of days decrease. So it is an example of inverse proportion. So 70 by 100 into 20, 14 days. So the answer is 14 days. 100 can consume the rice for 20 days. 32 persons promised to finish a work in 24 days. If 8 of them did not turn up for the work, in how many days can the work be finished by remaining men? So here the data is men and days. In first case, 32 men work for 24 days. Then we want to find out for 24 men. So 8 not able to continue the work. So we have to find out the number of days for 24 men. So here the number of men increases. The number of men decreases, days increases. So it is an example of inverse proportion. 32 by 24 into 24. So 32 days required to finish by the remaining men. Then if 5 men, 30 women, 60 boys can do a piece of work in 100 days, working 7 hours a day, in how many days will 7 men, 20 women and 32 boys do the same work, working 10 hours a day? So here they are given a proportion 4 for men, 2 for women and 1 for boy. So work done by men 1. Now we convert the work of woman and boy into man equivalent. In first case, 5 men, 30 women, 60 boys are worked. So it is converted into man equivalent. So in given ratio, women in the proportion of 2. So men in the ratio of 4. So 2 by 4 into 30. Boys in the ratio of 1. So 1 by 4 into 60. So now we got 5, 15, 15. So totally we convert the women and boy into 35 men. In second case, 7 men, 20 women, 32 boy. Here also we can convert the women and boy into man equivalent. So 2 by 4 into 20, 1 by 4 into 32. So 7 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 25 men. So 35 men can finish the work in 100 days. How many days are needed to finish the work by 25 men? We want to find out. Here also we can create a table, men, hours and day. So now we can compare men and day, whether it is increase or decrease. So men, number of men decreases, number of days increases. So it is an inverse proportion. So 35 by 25. Now we can compare hours and days. Number of hours increase, day decreases. So it is also inverse proportion. So 7 by 10. So 35 by 25 into 7 by 10 into 100, 98 days. So 25 men can do the work in 98 days. Hope you all understand how to do proportion problem. Thank you.